Good morning, I'm back in Meltham. I'm going to finish the Meltham Way and I'm in search of a waterfall, apparently called Folly Dolly, that Nick told me about. Can't remember his channel name. I'll put a link to his channel down in my description. But so I'm going to the waterfall first, and it is a cracking day. It is going to be a scorcher apparently, so we shall see. And here I am, take two. I must have just missed those waterfalls last time I was here. I didn't know they were around here. I never really do any research. So, where there's a cycle track up here where I crossed over earlier before and then went up. And I reckon if I turn right there, go past the bait kitchen fisheries. It's people fishing today. I reckon if I turn right there and go along there, that will take me to the Dolly Folly Falls. What a splendid name. And I shall stop and have my first cup of tea there. I don't have a lot of miles to cover today, so I'm in no rush. I am going to enjoy the beautiful sunshine. I have some squash, I have my tea, I have my fire dragon, which I'm going to try out the mango gel in, and I have my water filter, travel tap. I've got that filled with water at the moment, but I thought I'll bring that because if it's going to be a hot day, I may need more water. And having the water filter means I don't have to go and try and find a tap. Oh, also for information purposes, if you're in Meltham and you need facilities, Morrison's have customer toilets. Very handy indeed. You know, when you have these things, you go somewhere or someone says something and you have a deja vu. Well, I walked this track not even a week ago, and I've just walked up some stairs and I'm like, I don't remember those stairs. I don't remember this path. Yeah. Right, last time I came here, I do remember this bit. The path continues that I went on up there, and I'm pretty sure Dolly Folly Falls, or Folly Dolly, tongue twister if there ever was one, it's down this way, and I certainly do hope it warms up. So I left my jacket in the car and I'm actually only got 2 thin layers on and I'm feeling quite chilly in anticipation of it getting hot. So better. Right, I've had to ask a couple of people where it is, because apparently it's dried up, but we'll go and have a look. Roundhouse. This looks quite cool. I don't know what it is. There's a couple of big piles of wood over there. I mean, it does look like a shed, but it looks like a little greenhouse on the front. There's a fire pit there. Stone. Log to sit on. Oh, big pond over there. That looks really cool. Don't know if I'll be able to see any more of it because there's a fence now. Look how gorgeous that house is. I'm surprised that it's part of the property that owns it, shed and pond and that. Absolutely beautiful. Right, coming off the main road now. Down here. Have to find a spot. Time for 11sies. Oh, this just comes down onto the lane. Now apparently the path goes up there and then turns right. And this one goes through here and joins it. It's going to be going up anyway, but I think I'll do this. Keep off the road. Who knows, I might find somewhere nice to sit and have my very late 11sies. I'm surprised people actually live up here. Well, that was an abandoned building, it might be. But obviously this house here might belong to them. I shall put my mat down and stop here and have a cup of tea. Just a little sup. I'm going to have to take my backpack off to get through this. Yeah, always hate these little junctions, but at least this one is marked. So I'm going up there. That lovely blue sky. I was actually thinking, oh, there's a lot to probably explore up here at a later date, but actually it's all fenced off. It's a shame. Anyway, I'm looking for a spot now to stop and have lunch. I drank all my tea, so I need to brew up. I want something decent to sit, and then I can boil some water. Woohoo! That bough and the tree is just looking to be about right. It's right next to the path though. Isn't that great? Maybe. I'll go on a little bit further and see what there is. Right, I'm out of the woods for the time being. Still looking for a place to stop. These horses have come over here to say hello. I took my jacket off because it is so warm now. There's meant to be a little reservoir just on a bit, so hopefully there'll be somewhere nice I can perch there. Yes, so the other day I was working in the garden, Monday, and I came across a wasp's nest. Well, stumbled across, you could say. Hello matey, how are you? You're a big one. Hey? I ain't got any food for you, sorry. Oh, you were walking alongside me a minute ago, weren't you? Hoping I had something to give you. But I don't. I'm sure you'll find plenty of grass in here. Anyway, nice farmers put a little barrier up there. My last experience was a field of horses that came up and started nipping us. It wasn't very nice. Anyway, let's go and find this reservoir. A little scan of the view. It was misty this morning. Now it's hazy with the sun. It is warm. Down to a summer t-shirt. Ah! Oh, look at that reservoir. Right, let's go and see if I can find a spot to sit down there. That is One big old tree that's come down. Right, this is how close I am to the water. I'm going to have my lunch and look up there. There's a golf course opposite there. There's people playing golf. Never mind. I shall get my brew on. Right, I'm using the bio gel. I think it's made with Van Gogh, I think it is called. Anyway, we're trying that one out today. God, it's so lovely here. I tell you what though, I'm glad I didn't try and finish this the other day, because I think it's a lot longer than Matt led you to believe. Oh yes, so my wasp nest. I got stung 5 times. And watch the ducks while I talk. Once through my jeans, once through my top, once through my glove on my hand, and 2 on the head. So that was Monday, and they all stung like hell. Yesterday the stinging had sort of gone, apart from one on my head and my finger. Today there's no stinging, but they do itch. Yeah, I'm really surprised about that. And apart from my finger, which feels like it's been sprained, it's the only way I can explain it, and it is incredibly itchy. It's not just the finger, it's gone up onto my hand as well. It's just incredibly, awfully itchy. Like you got about 5 mosquito bites or something like that, kind of itchy. Yeah. So it's the first time I've had multiple stings. I suppose it's a new experience for me. Unfortunately the wasp nest is in the ground, so it's going to be very difficult to sort out. Because, yeah, nasty little buggers. Anyway, they'll get sorted eventually. I'll put some wasp traps down, see if they do any good, but I hadn't caught anything yesterday, so I'll check when I get home today. What a lovely little spot this is. It is really hot as well. Lovely. Well, unfortunately, it's time for me to leave this beautiful spot. A lady came walking past me having a chat about my stove. She said, oh, I always take a thermos, but I'd like to do a stove. I was telling her all about it and how easy it is to use. And I'm just about, I doubt if I'm more than half an hour away from the car. It's now 2 o'clock, I think. Yeah, close enough. Back to the car by 2:30, and then I shall be back in time to collect my son. But wow, and it is 10th of October, and it is boiling hot. Yay!